Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY IWM and QQQ, big time buying of the dip on the gap down open. Bulls filled the gap down here and ripped to the upside on some solid volume, significant volume comparative to the past few days. And we're on the way of a bullish MACD cross here. If we can get over this middle Bollinger Band resistance, the key resistance is tomorrow, middle Bollinger Band and the double top of the high, 245.62 and 245.61. If the bulls can break those levels and get over this middle Bollinger Band, we then have a higher low and a higher high, and we'll be looking back towards the all-time high. That will be a shift in momentum on the daily time frame. It's the tech sector that's leading the way. The financial sector is still weak. The bulls are thankful for the tech sector to really be driving this bounce higher and trying to see this momentum continue into tomorrow. Weekly time frame saving the bulls. Didn't even touch that middle Bollinger Band yet. Still have not touched it this year, and still a lot of strength, keeping the exponential moving averages as support ideally. Tomorrow's a very telling day whether or not we can see that follow through and bullish momentum. So IWM is rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band resistance here at 137.53. Closing just below that level. Bulls bought the dip here as well. And we have a new level of support of 136.23. Resistance is 137.81 and 138.82. Bulls are trying to see some higher lows and higher highs here as well. That little higher low is not really convincing for me. It was just a gap down open. I'd like to see a couple days of consolidation to establish a higher low, but the bulls certainly aren't complaining about how the bulls bought that dip on increased bull volume. Again, that volume is notable for me, where we've been seeing some weak volume. Yesterday was very weak volume in SPY. Not the case. This morning had a lot of volume behind this buying. So the weekly time frame for IWM is trying to confirm this bullish reversal candlestick. Ideal world for the bulls, they can close above the middle Bollinger Band of 138.80 and try and confirm this candlestick and see some follow through. And on QQQ, the daily time frame is still very strong for these bulls, as it is mostly tech sector names. And we've got the middle Bollinger Band resistance closing above it as support after it had rejected the price 3 out of the last 5 days. And we have our higher low here as well. And to get that higher high, we have to break 143.35. Then we're looking at 144.96. Increase in bull volume, bullish engulfing candlestick, looking for a bullish MACD cross, and the bulls are still in control of QQQ, the weekly time frame, the strongest of the three, trying to confirm that the bulls are ready to show back up after healthy consolidation. And again, if SPY and these names see continuation tomorrow, if SPY breaks this double top, if QQQ can break its high here of 143.35, that will start to shift this daily trend back in favor of the bulls after about a month of consolidation. And then we'll be looking back towards those all-time highs. So a very important day tomorrow, and watching the hourly time frame to make sure higher lows and higher highs are continuing to follow through. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Keep an eye on that volume, because it did prove to me that the bulls had strength this morning. And we will see if we can get these breaks of resistance and a look back towards all-time highs. Have a great night.